The error code F6E2 on a Kenmore washer indicates a communication failure between the display board and the main control board. This issue can be caused by faulty wiring, a defective display board, or a malfunctioning main control board. To fix the error, start by rebooting the washer. Power it off, unplug it, and wait approximately 5 minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on. Then, monitor the washer to see if the issue persists. If it does, check the wiring by powering off the unit, removing the top panel, and inspecting the connections between the display board and the main control board. Look for loose connections or damaged wires, and connect or replace them as needed. If the wiring is intact, but the issue remains, the display board may be faulty and need to be replaced. As a last resort, if none of the previous solutions work, the main control board may need to be replaced. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error code F6E2 on your Kenmore washer.